Everyone, and welcome back to my channel. So today video I'm going to be showing you how to make this dinner casserole beef and mushroom. This is so delicious, guys. You need to give it a try now. So all you need is some beef, peas, mushroom. I'm using frozen mushroom, but you can use fresh one. I'm going to be using meat seasoning, thyme, black pepper, onion, carrots, 2 bay leaves, and salt, white wine, and another water. I'm going to be leaving all the measurements at the description, so check it out. Okay, so the first thing you need to do, wash your beef, and I'm also going to be using flour. So add the flour into a big bag, just like what I'm doing here. Okay, add salt, thyme. You can use fresh thyme if you have it. So I don't have the fresh thyme. This is why I'm going to be using dry thyme. So after adding the pepper, go ahead and add the thyme into the flour. Add the meat seasoning and add salt. So all you are doing here is to season the flour. Okay, so after doing that, take your chopped washed beef and add it into the bag with seasoned flour. Then cover it and check it well. Make sure that the flour circulates the meat. Okay, just check it and check it and check it, and the meat has to be coated with the flour very well. So after doing that, preheat your oven at 180. On a casserole, I'm adding a little bit of extra virgin of olive oil. Then I'm adding the meat into the casserole as well. So after adding that, I'm going to go ahead now to add the onion. You can chop the onion tiny if you want it tiny, depends on, or you can just throw in the chunk of the onion into the meat. Okay, so now I'm adding the bay leaf. I'm going to add the carrot now. You can decide to chop the carrot a little bit or in a chunk, depend on what you want, but this is the size I want mine to be. So now I'm going to mix 200 ml of red cooking wine and 200 ml of fresh water together. If you are not going to be using wine, you can use 400 ml of water to cook this. It will come out well as well. Okay, like if you're using wine and water, make it 200, which is 400 ml. So now I'm going to cover them with aluminum foil. Then I'm going to add them to my preheated oven and allow them to cook for 1 hour 30 minutes in the oven at 180 degrees. So after 1 hour 30 minutes, I took them out of the oven, and now I'm going to be adding the mushroom and the peas. So like I said, you can use fresh mushroom. I'm using frozen one, mixed mushroom, or you can use any mushroom of your choice as well. So after adding the mushroom, go ahead and add the peas. Just give them a little stir to make sure that everything is going in there very well. Okay, then cover them back again with aluminum foil sheets and send them back to the oven and allow them to cook for another 30 minutes or until the meat is well tendered. So here is the final result. After 30 minutes, 30 to 35 minutes, the mushroom is cooked, the peas are, everything is well cooked. So now it's time to dive in. I paired this sauce with mashed potatoes, but you can actually add potato inside if you don't know how to make your mashed potato. Or if you want me to make a video on how I make my mashed potato, let me know. I will make the video as well. So it's very delicious and it's very good for dinner. It's a very healthy meal as well. Thank you all for watching, guys. Give it a try. See you all. Bye.